You made it just in time. Come on in. Oh, you know what? Before we get started, I just need you to take your shoes off and meet my friend Matt. Welcome to Robin Island. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to share my newly renovated apartment with you. I've been living in the same exact apartment for the past
12 years.
By myself. This is a big deal if you're a New Yorker. This pandemic made me realize I've never made my home feel like home. So I decided to get the walls painted, threw some things out, added some new things, and here we are. Now, before we get started, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time I put out a new video. And let's get to it. All right, guys, well, as soon as you enter the living room, you're literally going to take your shoes off. I don't know if this is just an Indian Asian thing, but as soon as you come in, we always want shoes off. So I thought it'd be really fun to have a mat like this, which I actually bought in Scottsdale, Arizona. And then right above is this really cool mirror. Now, I got this from Bobby's. If you're from Brooklyn, you know Bobby's. This full-length mirror was only 10 bucks, guys. I just love this mirror because whenever I'm ready to head out the door, I just take a quick look at my outfit and I'm out. So right next to the mirror is this lovely coat rack that I actually found when I was working at the Empire State Building. This thing was in the dumpster. I literally picked it up and took it home. The bottom of the rack also has a place where I can put all my workout gear, like my ankle weights and my jump rope. All right, now onto this corner is my new plant. This is Sheila, guys. Right above there is this really cute little painting. So a family friend of ours, we call him by his last name, which is Hughes. He actually got this for me when he went to Korea. Over here is my workstation. This is my little office. This is where I edit videos like this one you're watching right now. Right above is this really, really dope picture. I actually got this at an event in Harlem, and the cool thing is, the artist who drew this, her government name is Robin. So because I wanted my apartment to really have like an island theme, I decided to get rid of the green blinds I used to have and get these really cool bamboo shades. All right, guys, and over here is my couch. This lovely couch is from IKEA. It's very, very old, but I actually just switched up the sofa cover, got a new one, and then these pillows are all from Burlington Coat Factory. If you've never gone to Burlington, I'm late in the game. I didn't even know that they had the cutest home stuff, but I got these pillows from there. I got this amazing Taj Mahal painting. I am Indian, if you guys don't know. My parents actually are from Kerala, which is in South India, and I've never been to the Taj Mahal. It's up north, so you gotta take a plane to get over there, so we never did, but one day. This is my lovely marble round coffee table. So I was watching a lot of New York City apartment tours, and one girl, she was saying how if you buy a small round coffee table, it'll make your living room appear much bigger. So out with the old, in with the new. I love this. Guys, I am in love with this rug. So my friend Wendy actually saw this on Walmart's website, and she was like, girl, I know you wanted a palm tree rug, but girl, this is it. And I actually really love this rug because of the colors. I mean, I literally can take these pillows and like put, you know, pillow covers on it, whether it's turquoise or maroon, and it'll totally change the look. All right, guys, now this bookshelf, $20 from, I believe, Goodwill. And guys, I am not a Kindle girl. I love books. I don't know, there's something about opening them, smelling them, turning a page. Now, down here, I have all these autobiographies. It's pretty much celebrity autobiographies, from Toni Braxton to DMX to my girl, the voice of New York, Angie Martinez. And then up here, I grew up in a Christian home, so I have like one of my first Bibles as a little girl. This is my teen study Bible. I got books on faith. On top of my bookshelf, I actually have just like pictures of my family. And right above the bookshelf is a poster of the Vegas Strip at night. Let's head over to the kitchen. Now, before we make our way into the kitchen, we do have a closet right here. Pretty much has everything that I need. I mean, we're talking bedding, all my coats, a yoga mat, luggage, and the infamous laundry cart. All right, so inside, this is a typical New York City kitchen. I mean, it's pretty small, and I'm not like the biggest cook in the world, but I mean, we got the stove right over here. I got my fridge, and inside this cabinet, we have glasses, dishes, bowls, and of course my mugs because I am a coffee drinker. And then right above my sink, I have all my spices, my cooking oils, pretty much all these things is what I use to cook up, you know, dishes, whether it's spaghetti or my banana pancakes. And yeah, that's pretty much my kitchen. Before we go into the bathroom, I wanted to stop right here because my good friend Wendy actually suggested that I make a collage of all the people I've interviewed throughout the years of Running with Robin. So we have here in the middle, my boy DMX. We got Adrian Houghton from the talk show The Real, comedian George Lopez. All right guys, on to the bathroom. So unfortunately, I do not have a window in the bathroom. I wish I did, but I made sure that the bathroom was nice and bright. I do love the fact that whoever lived here before me, they must have been an artist because look at this, guys. This is beautiful. And I found the perfect matching shower curtain to go with this. Inside the medicine cabinet, all my products, pretty simple and basic. And then under the sink, I have decided to be more organized this year. Found this really cool organizer at Bed Bath & Beyond. All right guys, now before we go into the bedroom, let me turn the light on so you can see this closet with miscellaneous stuff. I mean, you got everything from makeup brushes to wrapping paper onto the master bedroom. This is where I lay my head at night. Initially, I actually just wanted to paint my walls beige, plain, very, very plain Jane, but the actual painter who painted this apartment, he was like, why don't you put like some blues, grays, and put a border? And I was like, what? I mean, I wasn't even thinking about anything major like that. And when I picked the blue and the gray, with a border, I mean, guys, I love this. This feels, I don't know, it's giving me Grease vibes. What do you think? Comment below, let me know. So one of the coolest things about this bedroom is that picture behind me. You know who that girl is? That's me, guys. So me and my friend, Danilsa, she's actually a Sephora makeup artist and she's a really dope photographer. She did my makeup for this shoot and then she took it in the Heights. It was such a beautiful day. Guys, you gotta follow her. I'm gonna actually put her handle in the description below, so you guys gotta follow her, check out her makeup. So I got this shelf, which I really needed from Bed Bath & Beyond. I just needed a place to put like my lotions, deodorants, perfumes, and this really cool spray can. This is actually from Filipino artist AJ Lavilla. If you ever go to the World Trade Center, you'll see like his Dream Big murals, and this is the spray can that he used for the actual murals in the World Trade Center. Thanks, AJ. Here is my walk-in closet. Right next to the window, we got this beautiful mirror right here, which I got at the Flying Tiger. It is right by Union Square, and I got this for $7. I actually love it because I can look in the mirror, check out my makeup, and I have that natural light coming from the window, so I feel like this is a perfect place to put the mirror. Now guys, I just want to let you know, I did not plan for these clear cases, but I love them. Actually, I'm a very visual person, so just seeing like, okay, these are my earrings, these are all the lipsticks that I have, and then of course my necklaces. It's just very organized, which I'm really trying to do. All right, and guys, this is my favorite part of the apartment. My fire escape! You don't gotta go home, but you gotta get the hell out of here. Okay, guys? I hope you enjoyed my apartment tour. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time on Run It with Robin. Bye!